Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript, MCQ test as well as audio test. So first of all, you must read Gotranscription Guidelines. This will help you during the exam because these transcription guideline is very important. You must apply all these code transcription rule into the test. After reading all these transcription guidelines all the way to the end, let's move to the MCQ test first. And let's start question. And first question is it's it is a problem that need to be. There are 5 different options, and C option is correct with. Second question is which of the following slang word or spoken contraction should be translated in a clean verbatim file the way it is said. So we simply check in Go Transcription Guideline and search here. Never change spoken contraction. For example, these words do not, cannot, it's, etc. and so on. So according to the transcription guidelines, spoken contraction is correct option. Third question is why is it important to pass the test on your own without anybody help? So we simply check in Go Transcription Guideline. So there is not written here. So important to pass. Why it is important to pass the test on your own without anybody help? It will study guideline after I get an account and start working on the real clients. And second option is knowledge of code transcription guideline is a must while working at Gotranscript. If you cannot pass the test on your own, how can you expect to be successful worker at Gotranscript? Also, if you cannot provide quality work, you will be removed from the team. So second option is correct of third question. Fourth question is which sentence is correctly capitalized and punctuated? So first sentence is not correct because it starts with small letter. So that's why this is not correct. Second option, she come to me and said comma and then so on. I think second option is correct. Third option is also false because it starts with small letter. And D, fourth option, is also false because in this column it's must be here comma, so that's why this is false. And last option is also false because this question mark must be between the quotation marks, so that's why this option is also false. So fourth question answer is B. What is the correct form of time stamping? Simply check it in. So time stamping format must be this format always in bold. So according to the transcription guideline, D option is correct. Double quotation marks are used. Double quotation. Simply check in Go Transcription Guideline. Double quotation mark are used whenever there is a direct quotation, and double quotation mark also in internal dialogues. So for internal dialogues, double quotation whenever there is a direct quotation. So A and B both options are correct. Sixth question. Seventh question is a grammatical question. And question is he dash my brother. So he is my brother is correct option. Eighth question. If a speaker name a surname you cannot make out due to speaker manner of speech, what you are supposed to do? So simply check in manner of speech. So in time stamping section and this section, use unintelligible when speech cannot hear but it cannot be understand if the speaker minus some space. So first option is correct according to the transcription guideline. If you cannot understand something, what you do? Again, if you cannot hear, use this unintelligible. Mark that word as intelligible with the specified time intelligible with the time stamping. Last option. What is the correct way to mark false start in full verbatim? So false start. Move to the full verbatim section. False start. This is the false start. I am wanted, then double dash. I have dreamed to becoming a musician. So this is the false start. So according to the transcription guideline, last option is correct. I slept last night. So this is the last option is correct option of 10th question. After all, you need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of Gotranscript. Next page, the audio test link is in the video description. Please check it. So this is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful for you, and also do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.